Welcome back to Autosport Designs. Today we're going to be looking at this spectacular 1967 Chevrolet Corvette. It's a 427 factory 4-speed tri-power car. Goodwood Green, tan interior. Hop on in, do a cold start, we'll tell you all about it. Alright, so here we are in our 1967 Chevrolet Corvette. Factory 427 car, 4-speed, tri-power. Goodwood Green over tan interior. Give it a pump. Do a little somewhat cold start. It's been sitting outside in the 90-degree weather, so it does fire up. Side pipes, great sound out of the side pipes. We'll cruise around and we'll be back to you. Alright, we'll give it a little test here, see how the camera is. It's on the rear tonneau, so it is shaking a little bit, but we'll take a look and see how we make out there. Again, 67, 427 convertible, tri-power car, 4-speed manual. Oh yeah! Nothing like those side pipes. Pulls really well. Sounds tremendous. Horn works.
September 27th.
Radio works. Turn signals clicking away, so those work. Turn signal cancel works. We have fuel gauge, amp meter, or battery meter I should say. Tach and speedo working, oil pressure, water temperature. Everything's clicking away very well here. Shifts really nicely through all 4 gears. Downshifts excellent. Down to second. Really nice. We're going to come up here, we'll open it up a little bit, give a little feel for that big block. It's really a great look out over that Stingray hood, painted white. Really great color combination. All right, here we are. I'm going to give it a little goose here. Oh yeah. Clutch gearbox really feels good in this car. It's a real hot one out today. Thing runs nice and cool. up to the farm road here. Run it through its gears. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. I definitely am still enjoying this one. So here we go. Oh yeah. Side pipes roar. Pulls perfectly. Really great little car. So, hope you guys enjoyed this. I definitely did. Please like and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Comment below as well. And thank you for watching. We will definitely catch you on the next one.